Today, I'm in Santa Fe, New Mexico at the Santa Fe School of Cooking, and we're going to learn about red chili.
I visited Santa Fe, New Mexico. I found out that there's a school of cooking. I had to pay it a visit, and I signed up for the Red Chile Workshop. Let's dive right into the heart of New Mexican cuisine by exploring the rich and spicy world of red chili. These vibrant peppers have been a staple in the Southwest for centuries, adding heat and flavor to countless dishes. After watching the demonstration of the teacher on how to make the different chilies, we divided into small groups where we worked on different recipes. We learned how to make red chili sauce from powder, from pods, with roasted tomato and chipotle sauce, as well as the pineapple and red chili sauce. Here, I partnered with Chef Charles, who's a recent transplant from Boulder, Colorado to Santa Fe, New Mexico. We started by roasting the pineapples and the red onions, and then we chopped them into small dices.
So what is it really hard to screw up a salsa?
It's really hard. You gotta work really hard. You gotta think about it quite ahead.
All right.
To make it bad.
Pineapple inside the pot. So this is the lime juice mixed with chili and pineapple. Let's see. Okay, it's flavor explosion.
Well, it's cooling, and so it's really melding together well. It'll be even tastier once it's chilled. There it is.
So let's see, our pineapple salsa is done. I love the colors.
Isn't it different? Really nice.
Let's try cilantro tortilla.
To have a little more fun with food, we tried a version with cilantro in the tortilla.
So just a gentle press. See? That looks much better. Still keeping that in mind, I'm not murdering anyone, just gentle press. Otherwise it gets too thin, and then when you put it in the skillet, it kind of falls apart. Look how round that is.
I like that.
All right.
This is dessert. This is tortilla.
There's a little streak of perfection just in me.
Slightly.
I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Wow. Okay, I have high faith in these cilantro tortillas.
Now the tortilla is getting nice and toasty.
I love these. I love the color in the cilantro. It's really cool. I taught myself how to cook when I was in my 30s because I just had to become the family cook for my kids. And I just kind of fell in love with home cooking. And when I was transitioning out of financial services in 2008, yeah, crash. It was like, oh, this is what I want to do. It's really different.
Give me 1 minute to any salsa, any extra salsa you have, you're gonna take it home.
Directly on the fire.
Directly on the fire. We didn't start the fire. It's always burning. I was living
After making all the different variations of red chili salsa, it's finally time to give them a try. The excitement is palpable.
Moment of truth. Let's see. So I have the cilantro tortilla, and let's try our pineapple salsa. I think I'm moving to Santa Fe.
Yeah.
I feel like once I go cilantro on tortilla, I can't ever go back to plain tortilla.
Yeah, this is really good.
And the colors, like rainbow colors. You got the beautiful golden yellow from pineapple, and the red onion, cilantro, tortilla, circle up. It's been a pleasure making salsa, red chili,
Yes.
and tortillas with you. Let's try.
Let's try. So this is the chili adobo with roasted tomato salsa. This is a chili powder salsa. This is a more traditional New Mexican approach to red chili. And then this is a pineapple salsa. It just has onion and it doesn't even have any peppers in it.
You're right,
There's
just
no peppers.
onion
It's
and
onion and
pineapple. And that beautiful lime
and
zesty
cumin
juice
and coriander
and the spice.
and lime. Yeah, so that's what makes it really bright So this is like really bright. This one's a little smokier, and this one's kind of in between. What do you think? Which is
What
your
I think.
favorite?
These three salsas. Let me finish my mouth. In terms of the flavors, it almost feels like appetizer, main dish, and dessert.
There you go. That's a nice way to put it.
It's so delicious, so good. Would you say, I mean, it's not too hard to make really at home.
It's very easy.
It just happens so. It's gluten-free, dairy-free, and vegan.
So thank you so much for being taking my class today, and I would love to make 4 different kinds of sauces today. And the sauces was pineapple salsa, roasted tomato with chipotle salsa, red chile sauce from chile pods, red chile sauce from butter, and corn tortillas. Well, thank you.